Horse. Okay, we are within the clade Gnathostomata, which is a group that includes the jawed vertebrates. Therefore, our animal cannot be jawless vertebrates, such as lamprey and catfish. Gnathostomata is divided into two separate groups: Osteoichthyes, the bony fishes, and Chondrichthyes, the cartilaginous fishes. The horse is a mammal. Mammals are tetrapods that belong in Sarcopterygiae, which is a clade within Osteoichthyes. The horse represents Osteoichthyes, therefore our animal represents Chondrichthyes, which includes sharks, rays, and close relatives. Great white shark. Alright, Galeoidea, or Galeomorphi, superorder of sharks, sometimes called Gallia or Gallian sharks. Galeomorphi is divided into 4 different orders: Heterodontiformes, Orectolabiformes, Lamniformes, and Cacariniformes. The great white shark belongs in the family Lamnidae within the order Lamniformes. That means our animal cannot be within the same order as the great white shark. In this game, there are 4 more shark options. The goblin shark belongs in Lamniformes, the same order as the great white shark, so our animal cannot be that. The hammerhead shark and the tiger shark both belong in Cacariniformes, while the whale shark belongs in Orectolabiformes. Hammerhead shark. Alright, so it's not the hammerhead shark. Therefore, it is not a member of the Cacariniformes, in which the tiger shark also belongs to. That means we only have one option left: whale shark. And our animal is the whale shark.